Every single day, countless individuals unwittingly invite a silent saboteur into their homes, a seemingly innocuous pantry staple capable of wreaking havoc on their health. What if the very beverage you pour into your coffee, blend into your smoothie, or simply enjoy with your meal is stealthily sending your blood sugar spiraling out of control, mimicking the effects of a sugary soda? This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. For millions navigating the complexities of diabetes, the milk in their fridge right now could be an overlooked culprit, silently undermining their tireless efforts to maintain balance and well-being. The pervasive myth that all milk is inherently healthy is a dangerous one, especially when you're managing a condition like diabetes, where every dietary choice holds significant weight. The wrong selection isn't just unhelpful, it can actively disrupt your blood glucose, leaving you vulnerable to the insidious, long-term complications of uncontrolled blood sugar, often without you even realizing what's happening. Diabetes already casts a long shadow over daily life, influencing everything from your food choices and energy levels to your mood and overall vitality. And for older adults, the challenge of managing it can feel exponentially greater. But here's the profound truth that could transform your daily routine and empower your health. With the right knowledge, you can harness the power of milk to stabilize your blood sugar, nourish your body, and provide crucial support where it's needed most. Today, we're not just discussing options. We're unveiling the critical distinctions between milks that can harm and those that can truly heal, revealing 8 essential varieties every person with diabetes absolutely needs to understand. Prepare to discover which ones to meticulously avoid, which offer surprisingly beneficial properties, and perhaps most excitingly, which single milk might just become your new, indispensable ally in the journey toward optimal health. And trust us, the most remarkable secret of all is reserved for the very end. Check your unsweetened almond milk. When it comes to making smart dietary choices for blood sugar management, unsweetened almond milk stands head and shoulders above many alternatives, emerging as an unparalleled champion for individuals with diabetes, particularly older adults committed to keeping their glucose levels firmly in check. Boasting an incredibly low carbohydrate count, often just 1 to 2 grams per cup, and virtually no natural sugars, this plant-based marvel deftly sidesteps the dramatic blood sugar spikes often triggered by traditional cow's milk. Yet, its advantages extend far beyond mere carbohydrate restriction. Almonds themselves are a treasure trove of healthy monounsaturated fats, renowned for their profound benefits in supporting cardiovascular health. This aspect is profoundly significant for those with diabetes, a condition known to substantially elevate the risk of heart disease. In fact, compelling research published in the prestigious Journal of the American Heart Association has illuminated how consistent consumption of almonds can actively contribute to lowering this critical risk in individuals living with type 2 diabetes. Beyond its impressive nutritional profile, unsweetened almond milk offers a delightful sensory experience. Its light, smooth texture and subtly nutty flavor make it an exceptionally versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. Imagine it transforming your morning coffee into a creamy, guilt-free indulgence, lending a silky consistency to your favorite smoothies, or simply serving as a refreshing, standalone beverage. Moreover, it's remarkably easy to digest, inherently low in calories, and provides an excellent alternative for anyone grappling with lactose intolerance or consciously reducing their dairy intake. The key, however, lies in vigilance. Always, without exception, opt for the unsweetened version. Its sweetened counterparts can cunningly conceal a surprising amount of added sugars, rendering their blood sugar-friendly benefits entirely moot. Dietzy's unsweetened soy milk. For those seeking another formidable ally in the daily management of diabetes, unsweetened soy milk presents itself as an exceptionally nutritious and highly effective choice, particularly beneficial for older adults exploring wholesome milk alternatives. What truly sets soy milk apart is its impressive protein content. Protein is a powerhouse nutrient, known for its ability to foster prolonged feelings of fullness and satisfaction. thereby curbing unnecessary snacking and, crucially, without eliciting a detrimental spike in blood sugar levels. Its inherently low carbohydrate profile further solidifies its position as an outstanding option for meticulous blood glucose control. Furthermore, unsweetened soy milk is frequently fortified with an array of vital nutrients, including significant amounts of calcium and vitamin D. These are not merely beneficial, but essential for robust bone health, a consideration of paramount importance for individuals with diabetes who often face an elevated risk of bone density issues and fractures. The benefits don't end there. Soy milk also boasts a low glycemic index, a critical indicator that it will not provoke the rapid and undesirable fluctuations in blood sugar that many other beverages can. Numerous studies have consistently demonstrated that integrating soy-based products into one's diet on a regular basis can contribute significantly to improved blood sugar regulation, offering a tangible pathway to better health outcomes. Whether you prefer it enhancing the richness of your coffee, lending a smooth body to your blended creations, or simply enjoy it on its own, unsweetened soy milk is a versatile and valuable addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. And, as with all truly beneficial choices, the caveat remains paramount. Always select the unsweetened variety, safeguarding against hidden sugars that could effortlessly sabotage your diligent blood sugar management endeavors. Record unsweetened cashew milk. Adding to the arsenal of excellent milk alternatives for individuals diligently managing diabetes, particularly older adults, is unsweetened cashew milk. This delightful beverage not only aligns perfectly with blood sugar management goals due to its naturally low carbohydrate and sugar content, but it also elevates the sensory experience with its remarkably creamy and indulgent texture. Its luxurious consistency makes it an impeccable complement to your morning coffee, transforming an everyday ritual into a moment of rich enjoyment, or lending a velvety smoothness to your favorite fruit and vegetable blends. Beyond its appealing taste and texture, cashew milk delivers substantial health benefits. It contains beneficial healthy fats and has been recognized for its capacity to support robust heart health by actively contributing to the lowering of blood pressure and the elevation of good cholesterol levels, specifically HDL. This dual action is profoundly advantageous for individuals with diabetes, given that cardiovascular disease remains one of the most prevalent and serious complications associated with the condition. Moreover, cashews themselves are a commendable source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a multifaceted and crucial role in the intricate regulation of blood sugar levels within the body. By thoughtfully incorporating unsweetened cashew milk into your daily dietary regimen, you are not merely making a prudent choice for glycemic control. You are simultaneously bolstering your cardiovascular system and fostering an overarching sense of well-being. And just like its equally beneficial plant-based counterparts, the imperative is clear. Consistently choose the unsweetened variety to scrupulously avoid any superfluous added sugars that could detrimentally interfere with your meticulous blood sugar management strategy. Pea protein milk. Emerging as a relatively newer contender in the landscape of milk alternatives, pea protein milk is rapidly gaining recognition as an extraordinarily beneficial option for individuals with diabetes, with particular advantages for seniors seeking a robust, dairy-free solution. This innovative beverage stands out due to its impressive nutritional composition, packed with a substantial amount of high-quality protein and typically fortified with other vital nutrients such as calcium and vitamin D. This powerful combination makes it an exceptional choice for supporting muscle health, which is crucial for mobility and strength, and for ensuring sustained satiety, helping to keep hunger at bay for longer periods. One of the most compelling attributes of pea protein milk, directly relevant to diabetes management, is its remarkably low carbohydrate content. This characteristic ensures that it contributes positively to stable blood sugar levels, making it a highly desirable addition to a controlled diet. Furthermore, its naturally lactose-free nature makes it an ideal option for the many individuals who experience difficulty digesting dairy products. Scientific inquiry has also shed light on its broader health implications. A study conducted by the University of Toronto, for instance, revealed that pea protein can be instrumental in helping to reduce blood pressure, a significant factor for diabetics, as hypertension is frequently a co-occurring condition. With its pleasingly smooth texture and subtly mild flavor profile, pea protein milk is a remarkably versatile ingredient, seamlessly integrating into a variety of culinary applications. Whether enriching smoothies, swirling into coffee, or even incorporated into various cooking endeavors, including this advanced milk alternative in your diet offers a dual benefit. Not only does it actively assist in stabilizing your blood sugar, but it also contributes significantly to your overall health by bolstering muscle function and fostering a profound sense of satisfaction after meals, making it a truly holistic choice. ROD oat milk. Oat milk has surged in popularity, becoming a beloved choice for a multitude of reasons, particularly appealing to those in pursuit of a dairy-free alternative that delivers a wonderfully creamy texture alongside a subtle, natural sweetness. For individuals navigating diabetes, one of oat milk's most significant advantages lies in its notably high fiber content. Fiber is a dietary hero, playing an absolutely crucial role in the body by slowing down the intricate process of sugar digestion. This measured pace is instrumental in preventing the abrupt and undesirable spikes in blood glucose levels, a persistent concern for anyone committed to effective diabetes management. A comprehensive study published in the scientific journal Nutrients further underscored these benefits, highlighting how oat-based products, including oat milk, possess the capacity to significantly improve blood sugar control and can even enhance insulin sensitivity, a vital factor in how effectively the body utilizes glucose. These profound effects position oat milk as an exceptionally astute choice for people with diabetes who desire a nutritious, enjoyable beverage that actively contributes to their overall health and metabolic balance. Its inherent versatility is another compelling feature, making it perfect for enriching your morning coffee with its smooth body, crafting vibrant and healthy smoothies, or simply relishing as a refreshing drink on its own. Therefore, if you are actively searching for a milk alternative that not only delights the palate, but also serves as a potent tool in your daily blood sugar management strategy, thoughtfully incorporating oat milk into your routine could indeed prove to be the perfect health-conscious addition you've been seeking. Now to your rice milk. While rice milk is frequently chosen for its inherent natural sweetness and its valuable status as an allergy-friendly option, making it a popular choice for those with sensitivities to dairy or nuts, its suitability for managing blood sugar levels requires a far more cautious approach. Regrettably, when it comes to the intricate dance of diabetes management, rice milk often falls short of being an optimal choice. Its primary drawback lies in its nutritional composition. It is typically quite high in carbohydrates, while simultaneously being notably low in protein. This particular combination creates a scenario ripe for rapid and potentially dramatic blood sugar spikes almost immediately, following consumption, posing a significant challenge to glycemic control. Further reinforcing this concern, a study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition illuminated a potential concerning link between high levels of rice consumption and an elevated risk of developing type 2 diabetes. While rice milk might offer a suitable alternative for certain populations, particularly those with severe allergies to other milk types, individuals with diabetes must exercise extreme caution. It is highly advisable for them to conscientiously consider other milk alternatives that present a more favorable nutritional profile, specifically those that are significantly lower in carbohydrates and comparatively higher in protein. Above all, it is paramount to remain acutely aware of how your individual body responds to various foods and beverages, and to always prioritize consultation with a trusted healthcare professional if you harbor any uncertainty regarding the most beneficial choices for your personal diabetes management plan. First, coconut milk. Among the plethora of milk alternatives available, coconut milk, particularly its unsweetened variant, emerges as a truly excellent choice for those diligently managing diabetes. Its impressive profile is characterized by a notably low carbohydrate content, coupled with a rich abundance of healthy fats. This unique combination positions it as a highly beneficial option for achieving and maintaining effective blood sugar control. In fact, compelling research published in Diabetes Care has highlighted the potential benefits of coconut oil, which shares many intrinsic properties with coconut milk, suggesting it may contribute to a reduction in waist circumference and alleviate the troublesome symptoms associated with Metabolic syndrome, a complex condition frequently identified as a precursor to diabetes. However, with this promising option comes a crucial caveat. Unwavering caution is absolutely essential. It is critically important to steer clear of any sweetened coconut milk varieties or the often used canned versions, as these can be notoriously high in added sugars. Such hidden sugars can easily lead to undesirable and sudden blood sugar spikes, directly undermining your efforts to maintain stable glucose levels. Therefore, when making your selection, the golden rule remains: always, without exception, opt for the unsweetened version of coconut milk. This conscious choice allows you to fully savor its wonderfully creamy and distinctly delicious texture while simultaneously ensuring that your blood sugar levels remain serenely stable, contributing positively to your overall health and well-being. Cow's milk. Cow's milk, a perennial staple and a classic choice for countless individuals, undeniably delivers a powerful nutritional punch, brimming with essential calcium and vitamin D, both absolutely vital for the maintenance of robust bone health. However, for those managing diabetes, its consumption requires a more nuanced understanding. Cow's milk naturally contains lactose, a type of sugar that, for some individuals, can inadvertently contribute to increased insulin resistance, a critical factor highlighted in research within the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. If cow's milk holds a cherished place in your diet, and you are simultaneously navigating the complexities of diabetes, a thoughtful adjustment can make a significant difference. Consider making the strategic switch to low-fat or non-fat versions. These alternatives offer the same fundamental nutritional benefits, ensuring your intake of calcium and vitamin D, but with a notably reduced fat content and, crucially, a lesser overall impact on your blood glucose levels. Beyond the type of milk, mindfulness regarding portion sizes is equally paramount. The amount you consume can profoundly influence its effect on your blood sugar. Furthermore, it is essential to remain acutely attuned to how your unique body responds to dairy products, as individual tolerance and metabolic responses can vary significantly. By making informed choices about the fat content and diligently managing your serving sizes, you can continue to enjoy cow's milk while actively supporting your diabetes management goals. Ultimately, the journey of managing diabetes is one of informed choices, and understanding the impact of everyday beverages like milk is a powerful step toward greater control and well-being. Each of these milk options, meticulously backed by scientific research, offers unique benefits and considerations, equipping individuals with diabetes to make smarter, more empowering decisions. Whether your primary goal is to significantly reduce carbohydrate intake, consciously cut down on lactose, or simply embrace more heart-healthy options, transitioning to unsweetened almond, soy, cashew, pea protein, or even specific oat and coconut milk varieties can be a truly transformative move for your health. Remember, the essence of effective diabetes management isn't about imposing harsh, joyless restrictions. It's about making healthier, sustainable choices that nourish your body and stabilize your blood sugar. Begin by thoughtfully swapping out your conventional milk for a more beneficial alternative in your daily routine, observing the positive changes. However, as with any significant dietary modification, the most profound and personalized advice will always come from your healthcare provider. Consulting them before making substantial changes ensures that your choices are perfectly tailored to your individual health needs and circumstances. Here's to making conscious choices that pave the way for a healthier, happier life filled with sustained energy and optimal well-being.